month of February started on a highly positive note for India's home buyers. जहां एक तरफ यूनियन बजट में अनाउंस किए गए टैक्स ट्वीक्स की वजह से एक कॉमन मैन की सेविंग्स बढ़ेंगी, वहीं दूसरी ओर फरवरी 7 को आरबीआई के रेपो रेट कट के डिसीजन से फ्यूचर और एग्जिस्टिंग बोरोअर्स को होम लोन पे कम इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ेगा। ऑल इन ऑल इन दोनों डिसीजंस की वजह से इंडिया में हाउसिंग अफोर्डेबिलिटी पर काफ़ी पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिलेगा। May we remind you that the government has made income of up to rupees 12 lakh tax-free in this year's budget. Meanwhile, the RBI reduced the repo rate to 6.25%. In fact, following the rate cut by the RBI, several banks have reduced their home loan interest rates. These factors make it an ideal time for home buyers to invest in property. To help aspiring buyers and investors, we would talk about upcoming new launches in India's key housing markets in this video. Hi, I'm Nikita, your host for this month's Realty Roundup. While demand for property has been somewhat muted in 2024 due to a sharp rise in prices, improved affordability could be a driving factor for new supply in 2025. An uptick in new launches is already visible. Major developers that are set to launch new projects in Feb and March include sector biggies such as Brigade, Puravankara, Prestige, Godrej, Kolte Patil, and Ruparel Realty. Cities where these launches are planned include Bengaluru, Hyderabad, MMR, Chennai, and Kolkata. Areas where some of these new projects are planned are Bellandur, OMR, Yelahanka, Budigere Cross, and Muttanallur in Bengaluru, Malad and Andheri East in MMR, Shamshabad, Neopolis, and Kondapur in Hyderabad. आने वाले महीनों में लॉन्च होने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स में ज़्यादातर यूनिट्स 2 and 3 BHK कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में होंगे। Majority of the units in these upcoming projects are priced above rupees 1 crore. For Bengaluru and Hyderabad markets, these prices can go up to rupees 3 crore. Meanwhile, those who have decided to not proceed with their home purchase and cancel the booking recently got a major relief from the Supreme Court. According to a recent judgment by the Apex Court, real estate developers cannot deduct more than 10% of the basic sale price of an apartment if a buyer decides to cancel the booking. The judgment says one-sided builder-buyer agreement favoring developers would be treated as unfair trade practice. So far, developers used to extract arbitrary and excessive penalty in case a buyer decided to cancel the property deal. This decision by the Supreme Court will go a long way in strengthening the legal position of home buyers. That is all from us for this month's Realty Roundup. Keep following our videos for latest real estate trends. Thank you.